Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make cornflakes cookies which taste super amazing and are very easy to make. This unique cookie recipe is specially made for breakfast, but you can even relish them with a hot cup of tea in the evenings. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 cups of flour, 1 and 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/3 plus 1/4 cup butter, 3/4 cup of caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of raisins, 1/3 cup of almonds chopped into pieces, and 1 cup of cornflakes. So guys, if you want the written recipe of these cookies, I have given the link of my blog in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a bowl, sift together the flour and the baking soda. Mix it and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the butter and the sugar. Make sure that your butter is in room temperature. Cream them together for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light and fluffy. Add the vanilla essence and beat. Don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl while beating. Add in the egg and beat till it's combined. Add the flour mixture into the butter mixture in 2 batches and fold in using a spatula. Then mix in the raisins and almonds. You can store this cookie dough in the freezer for a month. Crush the cornflakes into small pieces using your hands. Mold the dough in the shape of cookies using your hands. Then coat the cookies with the cornflakes and place them on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. cookies at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the size of your cookies. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack. You can store these cookies in an airtight container for 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.